This is Backstage Pass. I'm Megan, and today we are going to be interviewing Abby, our repair shop manager. So she is very talented and can help you with all of your instrument repairs. So let's go find her. Hi, Abby. Do you have a minute? Are you busy?
Hi, no, I can talk.
Cool. I just have some questions I wanted to ask you.
Sure.
All right. Let's see. What instrument do you play?
I play the flute.
Awesome. Flute. And what was your background before coming to KBI?
See, before KBI, I got my undergraduate in music education from JMU, with an emphasis on flute, obviously. And then I decided I didn't really want to teach in the classroom, so I learned about instrument repair. So I went up to Red Wing, Minnesota, where it's very chilly, and I learned how to repair instruments there for a year, and then here I am.
That's awesome. What is your favorite instrument to repair?
Saxophone.
Saxophone?
Maybe not soprano saxophone, but I do like saxophone the best. I have quite a few saxophone customers that we're all buddies.
That's true.
So come see me for saxophone repair.
Yeah. And then what is your least favorite instrument to repair?
The flute.
And that's funny because that's your instrument.
Yes, flute can be very finicky and I'll just leave it at that. It can be a little difficult sometimes, so yeah, I don't like it a whole lot.
What is the most interesting repair you've done?
Oh gosh.
Tough question, huh?
So one time we got an instrument in from a school that the whole, where the mouthpiece goes into the instrument broke off from the lead pipe, and they couldn't afford to get a new lead pipe, so I had to find a way to solder it all back together. So I had to make a sleeve for the lead. It was a whole thing. We can put a picture with this video.
Yes. Okay, that's awesome. Awesome. Let's see. What is your favorite product for your instrument?
Ooh, I love the thumb port. We have some here in lots of colors. The thumb port goes on the thumb part where your thumb goes on the flute. It helps you have really good posture with your wrist and your hand so that you can play faster.
And we can also put a picture up of that too, so we can show. Okay, cool. And do you have any pets?
I do. I have the best dog in the whole world. Her name is Rosie. We should include a picture of her as well.
We should.
She's adorable, and
she's
a golden doodle. She thinks that she's about 10 pounds, but she's 65, so she will love you.
That's awesome.
I'd be very happy about it.
What is something that people should know about you?
I can't say that I repair instruments, because clearly you know that. I am actually from Virginia. I grew up here in Fairfax.
I didn't ask you that. I'm sorry.
So
that's important.
That's important. Yeah.
It is.
So I'm from Virginia. I went to college in Virginia. Actually almost my entire family lives in Fredericksburg. So that's a fun little fact about me.
And then also, I guess one last question. What is the weirdest thing you've ever found in an instrument?
You know the answer to that question.
I do, but our viewers don't.
One time we got a sousaphone in and it smelled really bad, and there was a dead mouse inside of it. It was probably my worst day.
Yeah, it sounds like it would be pretty bad.
It was really gross.
So.
But don't worry, that sousaphone is now clean and functioning.
Yeah, so. That's good. That's
what you come
good.
Here for, right?
Yes. So anyway.
Also, coming up here, since you're here, I'll be doing different videos on our Backstage Past playlist here called Ask Abby.
Yay!
And you can ask me any questions about repair or instruments in general, I guess, and I will do my very best to answer them.
Yay! And then, of course, if you ever need anything repaired, come see Abby. She's the best.